Yo, chat, so we got racist attorney check for saying the N-word in court. I'll make you taste the ancestors. This is by Hype. This video is by Hype Plus. Let's go ahead and hop straight into it.
Call a black woman the N-word, call me that.
No, call me that.
I dare you to do it, and I swear for God, I'll make you taste the ancestors.
Ooh, don't play with them. Let them know, Unc. Call if you want me to, man. I'm going to make you taste the ancestors, man.
As people continue to react to the news surrounding online streamer Chud the Builder's recent arrest, another moment involving the N-word is starting to go viral.
So we got another racist, bruh? Damn, why does everybody want to be racist in 2026? Now, I know it's been going on, but damn, why everybody just want to make it public now and do it on video? What is going on? What is in the air?
According to reports, at the top of May, a Texas attorney by the name of Michael Phillips would use the N-word several times during an argument at a child custody trial. Local outlets would reveal that Phillips would use the word in front of the opposing attorney, who happened to be a black woman, so much that the judge over the case would have no choice but to find him in contempt. Now, from the looks of the alleged transcript, Phillips would end up using the word a total of 10 times during
one. Oh, he said ER though. He said ER, not just nigga. He said oh, yeah, disgrace, a disgrace for sure.
And in one particular moment, he would even go on to say, "I can say N-word for you too. N-word, 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 N-word."
Wow.
I mean, now for the use of the word, Phillips would end up being given the option of 3 days in jail and a $500 fine, or file a written apology to the now identified attorney Brenda DeRowan and a separate written apology to the court. Fast forward to Monday, it appears that local activist Quanell X and Dr. Candace Matthews would take time to pull up on Phillips to let him know that that type of language would not be tolerated. The moment looks to have had Phillips even shook.
Oh, here we go. So, Mr. Nigga.
Look at him walking with his cane.
Yeah, that's your ass.
So you the one
I
like
want
saying
you
N-word,
the one
right?
like call people niggas and shit.
You gonna
Call me a
N-word
nigga.
today? I bet you won't call her in front of a black man like
I bet
that.
you won't call
In
me
fact,
no
let
nigga.
let me call a black woman in word, call me that.
No, call me that.
I dare you to do it, and I swear for God, I'll make you taste the ancestors.
Me too.
Ooh.
Side.
Hey, they is not playing with you. They is not playing with you, brother.
Now, go ahead.
Go right ahead.
Go ahead.
I guarantee you
Come
wouldn't
on.
do it.
He's
in front of
fighting right
Come
now.
on.
He's scared.
I know. In fact,
Shouldn't
I
be
know
tenders.
you won't say the N-word in front of me.
Come on, go on in
Say
there.
it. Say it in front of me.
Ooh, he thought about it. He said, I'm not finna play with them, man. They gonna kick my ass.
Dare you to say it. What is your name? It's Quanell X, but you're
What is your
learning
name?
real well today.
Yeah.
Say it. I bet you won't say N-word in my face. You intimidate black women by themselves, but a black man, you won't
You're not
open your
gonna-
goddamn mouth.
Yeah.
I dare you to say it.
That he
And he real quiet.
hearing
I
that.
He
dare you to
real
say it.
quiet.
Shit, get your old ass in there. Run around here with your bald head ass, you old spot liver face looking bitch.
Damn! Oh my God! Shit!
Playing with you.
Chill out,
Now,
mama.
following him being checked by the two activists, Phillips would end up being asked about the confrontation as he left the courtroom. And again, it appeared that he had no words, only that he's been ordered to not comment any further.
Sir, would you like to make a comment about what you said or about what happened?
I'm not allowed to make a comment at the present time.
Now, when it comes to both Quanell
What?
X,
Bro, that boy sound old as fuck. I'm not allowed to make a comment at this time.
and Dr. Matthews thoughts about the incident and why they decided to ridicule Phillips, they would speak to local outlet Houston Stringer and others.
Took it upon himself to be a bully, to intimidate a black female in the courtroom. But when a black man got in his face, he cowered up, cowered down, and you could not hear a rat piss on cotton. No, we will rise to the occasion and send that bigot a clear, crystal message. Hands
shit.
off of black females. We're not going to tolerate that.
So those times of lynching, those times of racist behavior, especially how so comfortable that he was in that courtroom, is over.
Across social media, many viewers would catch the incident and would praise both X and Matthews for holding Phillips accountable beyond the law. One user would even suggest
did.
that Phillips wanted to say the word badly,
For
but was
sure.
being held back by
He for sure wanted to say it again. I told y'all, chat. He wanted to say it. He wanted to say it for sure.
what the consequences would be. He wanted to say it so bad, laughing my ass off. As far as the aftermath, X and Matthews are requesting that a full investigation take place by the State Bar of Texas, a formal apology by Phillips, and disciplinary action that could include a loss of his law license. Now,
Damn.
Attorney Daron, who was at the center.
Imagine working all your life and then you lose your license just because you said one thing and you said that. See, gotta watch. People gotta start watching what they do and saying and reacting, bro. Fuck your whole life up.
Of this incident,
For real.
shared that she was deeply disturbed by Phillips' actions and would provide further backstory to what happened. I was representing a father in a custody modification jury trial. Opposing counsel spent a significant portion of the case attempting to paint his client as extremely conservative, Puritan, Christian, and morally superior. Throughout the trial, multiple pieces of evidence came out that directly contradicted that narrative. In the portion of the transcript I posted, we were outside the presence of the jury discussing yet another inflammatory piece of evidence that contradicted the image being presented to the jury. The evidence was so graphic and inflammatory that I made the decision not to introduce the actual video itself and instead only reference a screenshot. For additional clarity, I was the only black person involved in this trial. None of the parties or witnesses were black.
Damn. That's crazy. She was the only black person. I guess that's how it usually is, though, in the court. Like, I swear, when I went to court a few weeks ago, I was literally the only black person in there. Probably it was like two of us, but mostly white people in there.
Only other black person in the courtroom was the bailiff. While explaining to the court
Yeah,
why the
that's-
evidence
yeah.
was relevant to issues of credibility, character, and the narrative presented to the jury, I referenced previously admitted evidence in which the racial slur at issue had already been used by the mother to describe a witness. Again, I'm the only black person in this case. Opposing counsel then repeated saying the word over and over again in a way that, in my opinion, went far beyond any legitimate legal purpose or evidentiary discussion. I had to ask the court for permission to step outside because I was genuinely shocked and overwhelmed by what was happening. The court ultimately addressed the conduct and held counsel in contempt. At the same time, I remain proud that despite everything, our client prevailed and a father was awarded a flip in custody by a 10-12 jury verdict. Let's talk about him in the comments below. Do you think
So he's stupid because he just won them the case. Just because, yeah, that's basically what it seems like. He just won, like, he's stupid on his end for saying it in general, but him doing that just gave the court, like, hey, well, they're going to win. You know what I'm saying? Like, that you didn't lose, yeah. Well, I mean, I guess he didn't lose, but kind of did. His client paid that money to him, and yeah, like, yeah.
Attorney Phillips should lose his
Not
license
smart
over
of him.
this, especially since he's expected to represent fairness in the court of law. Save the day for the latest news by subscribing here to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to get all of our content and not just some. And if you enjoyed
crazy.
the story, head over to Hypers Club right now to get
Hey, Chad, his ass looked like he was a menace back in his days, bro. Bro got to be at least like 80 years old. Like, you could just tell, like, he was a racist piece of shit back in the day. Like, yeah, he was on that. And he's still on that 70, 60 years later when he was doing that shit, when he was probably in his 20s. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know what y'all think about this story down in the comment section below. Do y'all think he should lose his license? I think he should lose his license. And I think they need to hold him accountable for his actions and get him gone, bro. Like, hit his ass with a big fine, bro. They need to lock his ass up for real. Like, no lie, they should make being racist, you should go to jail for being racist. No cap. That's just my opinion, though. But, you know, hey, it's your boy Mario 2X. I'm signing out. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. I'm gone.